Tonight, on Tableside with Tyler, we are cooking loaded pesto Alfredo. What is it loaded with? All sorts of yummy vegetables. First step, let's get this onion, bell pepper, and asparagus all chopped up and ready to go. My trick for cutting asparagus is to pull the top rubber band off, but leave the bottom one on. Leave it all in a stack, and then just cut the way on down. Cut the last one right above the rubber band, and that leaves all of the hard bottoms together in a band. Let's get a little olive oil in the pan for the vegetables and get it warming up. We've now added the bell peppers, and let's get the water going too while we're waiting. We can prepare the tomatoes by chopping them. Now that the water is boiling, it is time to add your pasta of choice. We are using the Bonanza chickpea pasta. You can choose a whole variety of noodles. Choose whichever type you want, but add them to the water. Now we add 1 pint or 2 cups of heavy cream. And at this time, it's also good to turn down the heat of the pan to about a medium low. We don't want the cream cooking too fast. We want to get that to a nice simmer. The most important part about adding the heavy cream is to make sure you do not look at the nutrition facts. While the sauce is warming up, let's go ahead and add some salt. I haven't measured this. I haven't measured, but I'd estimate around a teaspoon. But go ahead and salt to taste. Also, let's add some pepper, which will also be adjusted to taste. Now the sauce is starting to simmer, which is what we want it to do, and we'll want it to simmer for a while, but let's keep a good stirring to allow it to simmer and thicken up. Get a decent simmer going on and the sauce has started to thicken. It's time to add the pesto. About 4 tablespoons, give or take. Add more if you love pesto. After the pesto has been in, it's time to add the spinach. The more the better. Mix in, and when the spinach is wilted, it is time to add the noodles. Go ahead. You're good. And time to coat the noodles. And after that's all mixed in, top with the tomatoes. This is the most colorful Alfredo I think there is, and it's absolutely delicious. There you go, loaded, colorful pesto Alfredo.